Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Today we're doing a complete step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to use DraftKings promo codes in 2026. Whether you're brand new to the platform or an experienced bettor looking to unlock extra bonuses, this guide will walk you through every single part of the process so you don't miss out on valuable offers. We'll cover signing up with a promo, claiming welcome bonuses, entering codes as an existing user, using bonus bets correctly, and tons of pro tips to maximize your value while staying safe and responsible. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating all things promo related on DraftKings. So grab a seat and let's get started right away. First, a quick overview of how promo codes and offers work on DraftKings these days. In 2026, many welcome bonuses no longer require you to manually type in a code because they apply automatically when you sign up through the right link or follow the proper steps. That said, specific promo codes still pop up for targeted deals, existing user promotions, deposit bonuses, and special events. The current flagship welcome offer is the bet $5 get $100 in bonus bets instantly. You place a qualifying first bet of $5 or more, and the $100 in bonus bets gets credited right away. This is a low-risk way to explore the site with extra playing power. Understanding exactly how to claim and use these will help you get the most out of every dollar. Let's begin with the most common scenario, using a promo as a brand new user. The process starts with creating your account the right way. Open the DraftKings website or download the official mobile app from your app store. Make sure you're physically located in a state where DraftKings Sportsbook is legal. Hit the sign up or register button prominently displayed on the homepage. You'll need to provide accurate personal details, including your full name, date of birth, address, email, phone number, and the last 4 digits of your social security number for verification purposes. This is standard for all legal sportsbooks to comply with regulations and enable smooth withdrawals later. During the registration flow, you might see an optional field labeled promo code or referral code. If you have a specific code from a trusted source, enter it exactly as shown. Codes are often case sensitive. If the main welcome offer doesn't require one, you can leave it blank and still qualify, as long as you sign up through a proper promotional link. Some codes like TAN bonus or others shared by affiliate partners can help trigger enhanced offers in certain situations, so it's worth checking recent verified sources before signing up. Once you've filled everything out, agree to the terms and conditions and complete any identity verification steps they ask for, such as uploading a photo of your driver's license or passport. This usually happens quickly. Next comes funding your account, which is a crucial step. After your account is created and verified, go to the cashier or deposit section. The minimum deposit for most welcome offers is just $5, and DraftKings supports many convenient methods, including debit cards, PayPal, Venmo, online bank transfers, Play Plus cards, and even cash deposits at partnered retail locations in some states. Choose whichever option works best for you and add funds. Take a screenshot or note your transaction for your records. Now you're ready for the qualifying bet. Placing that first qualifying bet is where the magic happens. Navigate to the sportsbook section and browse the available markets. You can bet on pretty much anything from NFL, NBA, MLB, soccer, college sports, tennis, combat sports, and more. Look for a market with reasonable odds. Typically anything at -500 or longer is safe for qualification, but always double check the specific promo terms. Place a bet of at least $5. Once that bet is settled, whether it wins or loses, the $100 in bonus bets should credit to your account almost instantly in most cases. These usually come as 4 separate $25 bonus bet tokens. Now let's talk about what to do once those bonus bets appear in your account. Go to your bet slip or betting ticket area. When you're ready to use a bonus bet, select it from your available promotions or balance options. Important rule here. Bonus bets must be used in full. You can't split one $25 token into smaller wagers. Place your wager using the bonus bet as the stake. If your bet wins, you keep the profit portion as real cash that can be withdrawn, but the original bonus stake is removed from the payout. For example, a successful even money $25 bonus bet would return $25 in withdrawable winnings. These bonus bets typically expire after 7 days, so use them before they vanish. For existing users, the process of using promo codes is a little different, but still straightforward. Log into your DraftKings account on the app or website, look for the Promotions tab, often found in the main menu or under your account settings. Many ongoing offers require you to opt in first. Click the bell icon in the top right corner. This is where personalized notifications and promo codes frequently appear. If you receive a promo code via email or notification, tap the link or manually enter it in the designated promo code field within the Promotions section. Some deals might ask you to make a deposit or place a specific type of bet after entering the code. Always read the full terms attached to each offer. Let me walk you through a few common existing user promo scenarios in more detail. For deposit match bonuses, you might enter a code, make a qualifying deposit, and receive bonus funds or DK dollars added to your account. For profit boosts or parlay insurance offers, you often need to opt in via the Bell or Promotions page before placing your bet. Referral codes work great too. Generate your unique referral link or code in the rewards section, share it with friends, and when they sign up and bet, both of you can earn bonus bets. During big sports events, DraftKings frequently releases flash promo codes for boosted odds or free bets that you claim by entering them quickly. One area people often get confused about is the difference between bonus bets, site credit, and cash. Bonus bets, as we covered, are non-withdrawable stakes that only pay out winnings. Site credit or DK dollars can sometimes be used more flexibly across fantasy or casino sections. Real cash from winnings or deposits is fully yours to withdraw or bet with. Always check your balance types in the account summary so you know exactly what you're working with. DraftKings makes this pretty clear with different tabs or labels. Troubleshooting is important, so let's cover common issues and how to fix them. If your promo code isn't working, first verify that you've entered it correctly with no extra spaces. Make sure the offer is still active and you're eligible. Some promos are new user only or limited to specific states. If the bonus doesn't appear after a qualifying action, try refreshing the app, logging out and back in, or contacting DraftKings support through the in-app chat. They're usually responsive. Another common problem is location services. Your device GPS must confirm you're in a legal state when placing bets or claiming offers. Turn off any VPNs because those can cause account issues. To really maximize these promos, here are some advanced strategies. Shop around for the best lines, even when using bonus bets to increase your expected value. Combine offers when possible. Sometimes a welcome bonus stacks nicely with a deposit match. For existing users, participate in loyalty programs or VIP tiers because higher activity levels unlock better personalized codes and higher limits. During NFL Sundays or March Madness, check the app multiple times a day for new opt-in boosts. Set calendar reminders or enable push notifications so you never miss time-sensitive codes. Diversify across sports to take advantage of sport-specific promotions that come and go with the seasons. It's also smart to understand playthrough requirements and expiration dates thoroughly. Most bonus bets are straightforward with the 7-day window, but some deposit bonuses might require a certain amount of wagering before winnings become withdrawable. Read every word of the terms and conditions linked to the promo. DraftKings provides clear breakdowns, so take a few minutes to review them before committing. Now, a very important section: responsible gambling. These promos are exciting and can give you extra fun, but they should never be seen as a way to make guaranteed money. The house always has an edge over the long term. Only use money you can comfortably afford to lose. Set deposit limits, loss limits, and session time limits right in your DraftKings account settings. If you or anyone you know needs help, resources like 1-800-GAMBLER are available 24/7. DraftKings has strong responsible gaming tools, including self-exclusion options. Use them if needed. Betting should stay entertaining. Let's expand on casino casino and daily fantasy promos too, because DraftKings offers more than just sports betting. For the casino section, you might find separate promo codes or automatic offers for free spins, deposit matches, or flex spins. The process is similar. Enter the code in the casino promotions area or opt in through notifications. Daily Fantasy Sports has its own set of contests with free entries or deposit bonuses using DK dollars. Check each vertical separately because the promos don't always cross over automatically. Another pro tip is to keep multiple trusted sources bookmarked for the latest codes. While DraftKings' own promotions page is the most accurate, affiliate review sites often highlight exclusive or enhanced deals. Cross-reference a few to make sure you're getting the best available offer in your state. Avoid random websites or social media strangers promising guaranteed winning codes. Those are usually scams. Stick to reputable channels. For withdrawals after using promos successfully, go back to the cashier section once you have winnings in your cash balance. Choose your preferred method, enter the amount, and confirm. Processing times vary. E-wallets like PayPal are often fastest, sometimes within hours, while bank transfers can take a couple of days. Have your account fully verified early to avoid delays when you want to cash out. Wrapping up all the details, using DraftKings promo codes and offers in 2026 is mostly about signing up correctly, opting in when required, meeting the simple qualifying steps like that $5 bet, and then managing your bonus bets wisely before they expire. The platform has made the process user-friendly, but paying attention to the small details separates those who get maximum value from those who miss opportunities. Start small, learn the interface, and gradually explore more advanced promos as you get comfortable. If you enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial, please hit that like button, subscribe for more betting how-to guides, and drop a comment below telling me which state you're in or what your favourite promo type is. I read every comment and love answering questions. Remember to always bet responsibly and have fun with it. Thanks so much for watching this full guide on how to use DraftKings promo codes. Good luck, bet smart, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care